So guys, you can probably tell where we are. I don't have to tell you. We are back at Nash. Geez, it's the busiest I've ever seen it. It really is. We've got, it's random, we've got some caravans parked in that field. A couple of overlanders on the other little bit of river. We're not in the woods this time. There's too many of us. So yeah, hopefully it's going to be a good weekend. It's Good Friday. We've just got set up. People are still setting up, doing bits and bobs. Probably won't get a lot of footage tonight, but we're due to do some lanes tomorrow, local lanes. Come back, have a good cook up, have some beer, have a good crack, and just enjoy it. I mean, look, it's absolutely beautiful. Blue skies are out. It's probably a little bit cloudy behind me, but yeah, really looking forward to it. I've been flat out at work. It's just nice. You can just hear it. Do you know what I mean? It's so nice just to get away, and it's a perfect place, Nash. It's lovely for it. So, few newbies to Nash, so it'd be interesting to go show them the woods and what's about and everything like that. And yeah, hope you like the video. Do me a favour, grab a brew, grab a beer, whatever takes your fancy, and sit in. Fingers crossed you enjoy it. If you do, remember, stick the like up, leave a comment, hit the subscribe button, and yeah, fingers crossed you enjoy it. About dinner time. So I've been chicken wraps, nice and simple. Bit of garlic rice, bit of a side salad, and just plenty of beer. More of I think it's more of a beer diet than anything else. What do you reckon, Steve?
Oh yes.
Yeah. But we're gonna have a bit of substance, don't we?
That's because they're asking for food.
Yeah, the women are chatting away, so that's always good, isn't it? That's always good. So. So, we are. Hopefully you can hear me alright. Everyone's rumbling around at the minute. Blocking the sun, aren't I? But, just put, it's what, 8 o'clock? Sun's out, as you can see, right behind me. And we've got the Jackery solar panel out, testing. It's pulling in 15 watts, no, 17. It is fluctuating, because I keep standing in front of it, I suppose, but... So 21 with me stood out the way, that's pulling in 21 watts. So we used it last night for the radio all night. Well, 6 o'clock we put the radio on, 12 o'clock we turned it off. So that's AC out, 230, and we used that all night and it dropped to 90%. So yeah, well impressed with the Jackery. We'll just keep charging up. So we've had some scran, we're heading to the first lane. There's quite a lot of us, so it's took us a long time to get sorted and waiting for somebody to turn up as well. Turned up, we're on the road, we're going to do water breaks neck. I know you've seen it, I know I've done it loads of times, these guys haven't done it, and it's a nice little icebreaker that's close to Nash, do you know what I mean? So we're doing that, we're heading over to Elan. Because we just love Elan. We've all got cameras, we've all got bloody drones and everything like that, haven't we? So it's more about pictures and everything like that today. A couple of lanes, and yeah, hopefully we enjoy it. group's turned into a rather large group, which obviously we shouldn't really do, but ow, that's me head. Yeah, it's one of those things. They've sort of met us, and it's a nice open lane, so there's plenty of places to pass. Got a couple of newbies, sort of thing, so yeah, nice easy lane. 1, 2, 3, 4, I think there's actually 9 of us, which is one of those things, isn't it? You know, it's one of those things, so, but yeah, onwards and upwards.
Pussy route. Easy. All right, keep going. It's all right, a bit too far that side.
side. We've actually gone up it this time. Yeah, I've just noticed, I think this is the first video this year that I've done in shades. So as you can tell, the weather is nice. Are we enjoying the weather?
Yes.
Oh, we got a little bit of a reaction anyway. Yeah, we've regrouped. We did actually split up and we did a group of 4 and 5. And if you've ever done Clearwind anywhere around there, you know the signal is non-existent. So we separated, we're just joining. We're heading to, I don't know, we've been, apparently it's a localish lane near Elan. It runs over the top of one of the hills. I've never done it, so it'll be nice and interesting, that to be fair. So yeah, we'll have a look. So this is the lane at Ryada, and as you turn left, if you was heading towards, I can't remember the name of the mining village, but if you turn right through there, then generally it is what, 200-300 yards on your right. There's a right turn in. I don't think it's got a name to it, but it's a nice little scenic route. There's a couple of little steps. No to film yet, but if there's anything decent, we'll bring it on. Managed to get myself some new plates as well. You can actually see them. Ridge Monkey. Yeah, actually buying them. They come with a nice little handy towel and a nice little knife, fork and spoon set. So I've literally got that in there. So when me and the missus go away, we've got a set, all cutlery in there. So at the minute, it's working. So no, pretty impressed. Plates are well made as well, sort of thing. So it's I think it's 25 quid. You get a full set. So it's just one of those things that you can keep in the truck and it stays in the truck. So yeah, chicken's on its way. Rice, getting the salad prepared. Some kids over there, different camp to us, but they're enjoying the fire. They're enjoying the river. So. They're enjoying the river. Tom's over there, just got his decent camera out, so he's just about to take some pictures. Just getting the sun done now. It is. It's just coming down. I'm sure the temperature will drop, but still t-shirt and shorts weather. It's not too bad at the minute. So, right, best crack on and get this dinner done. First time we've done chips, eh? Chips, steak, mushy peas.
Where would you think I've gone for that?
Oh, I can't actually get in.
It's like very mismatched. Yeah.
Fire, with fire.
It's so fun.
Yeah, we'll do it back.
Gotta get the disco lights. Good morning. You alright over there, mate? Hey. He needs the toilet. So, Sunday, yeah, Saturday? Sunday, yeah. Just about starting to feel normal. So, yeah, we probably overindulged a little bit last night. As you can see, a lot of people have gone to do strata. We're going to head back today. We're just having a slow, easy morning because generally every day of my life we've got planned and we've got to do things by a certain time, so it's nice just to wake up and yeah, just have a slow morning, not plan anything, have a brew, have a bit of brekkie and yeah, go from there really. But it's been a good weekend. We got 3 lanes done yesterday, cracking weekend. We've got a bit of footage. Yeah, there's not much to report. I say last night we had a good cook up. You might not have seen it properly, but my first attempt of chips in the Dutch oven, absolutely quality, absolutely banging. So we had chips, ribeye steak, mushy peas, mushrooms. Yeah, probably the best meal I've done when we're out actually, to be fair. I don't think, the only thing I could probably think that could overdo that would be if I did a roast dinner, maybe. So, but yeah, it's been a good weekend. It's been a good weekend, it really has. You can actually see there's caravans over there this side. Yeah, they've headed over to Strata. They're going to do Strata. It's bank holiday in it, so Strata's going to be busy. I've done it over and over again. You guys have already seen it. Do you know what I mean? So it's all for the people that haven't done it. So they'll be interested in doing Strata. It's just off the bucket list. It's off the tick list, isn't it, sort of thing, you see. So they're cracking on with that. But yeah, generally we're just having a slow pack up and just an easy morning. It's nice. So yeah, I'll bring you back when I say there's not been much. We did dinner last night, and then after that we just had a few beers, had a good crack. It's hard to record when, well, say people are having banter. Some people might say the wrong things and I can't put it on YouTube, so I don't do a lot of recording at night. And plus you can't see a lot except for a bit of fire, what you saw. So yeah, I've got to be careful what I put on YouTube now, and careful what I say with things going on. So yeah, it's been a cracking weekend. The main point of it is the roof tent's been out, the awning's been out. We've used the drawers, obviously the new drawers that are in there. We've had a good cook up and chilled out. You know what I mean? Sometimes you can just work, and sometimes you just need to get away. So yeah, it's been good. We're nearly home, back to reality and all that. So it's been a cracking weekend. Yeah, we're just looking. So yeah, it took us about 2 hours to get home. A lot of people are just staying for another day, which is bank holiday, so why not make the most of it? But I got things to do. So yeah, been an absolutely fantastic weekend. Big shout out to Overlanders UK. Just a group of, you know, a bunch of lads, like-minded people, talk about Land Rovers, drink loads of beer, eat loads of food. That's what it's all about. But yeah, we've had a cracking weekend away. And another shout out to Nash. Everyone knows where Nash is. If you watch my videos, you definitely know where Nash is. Try it out. If you've never been, make the effort, get over there. Trust me, you will not regret it at all. What did make my day yesterday, we actually had a little message on Instagram. I won't mention names and things like that, but basically it's actually fans of the channel, which is great, absolutely fantastic. It made my day as well, to be fair. They came over, I let them have a sit in the truck and whatever they wanted to do. They wanted a picture and all that, which is yeah, it was good sort of thing. It's one of those things where, you know, you're doing some good in the world if people are coming over and asking for a picture and stuff like that. So I think it made their day, made their weekend probably, so, which is always good, isn't it? So yeah, happy days. So I think this is probably going to be about it for this episode, guys. Yeah, remember, hit the like, comment, share it if you want to share it, and yeah, stay safe. We'll see you next week.